This is the trend review for Wednesday, the 8th of May 2024. And today I was looking at Tesla, and it was a good call because AMD didn't really offer clean trading, and neither did Tesla, but Tesla was a bit better. No, AMD ended up also offering something, but it was more tricky. Anyways, I went with Tesla. Tesla had bearish pivots, and we had set lower value the day before, and it looked like we were selling off. And today in the pre-market, similar thing to yesterday, we were gapping down and we were opening near S4. And as a result, I was very bearish. But when it comes to my bias, but the issue is that unlike yesterday, we had wider pivots. So today resulted in an open test right to the top side. We tested the pre-market low and run to the top side. So we actually rested today in an attempt to close the gap from yesterday. But I think we're gonna fail, and we actually threw a nice signal here, but I wasn't trading at this moment. So Tesla ended up being, it had a little bit of an open auction, but I should have seen that the pre-market low was rejected, so I missed out on this long. But it was very complicated. It was against S4, the S4 level, against a very bearish level 2. So I stayed away from it. And then we had a run to the top side. We had some rejection of 173 here. And so I decided to pull the trigger, but it was in anticipation. I didn't take a trade yesterday. And on Monday, I believe it was just 1 hour. So not too, so Monday 1 hour, and yesterday I didn't take a trade. So desperation kind of set in. So I took this trade in anticipation, and you can clearly see that it was in anticipation because I kind of knew what was going to happen next with the level 2 and with the tape. And so I anticipated the trade, got stopped out, and I'm proud that I made re-entry immediately. As you can see, we actually reacted 173.50 and ended up forming a nice doji. It had attempted towards my stop loss, but luckily my stop loss was very safe, and we ended up selling off. Mainly my goal for the day could have been going all out here, considering that this was looking a little bit like a double distribution trend day. But I decided to be a little bit more aggressive, expecting a neutral day. So I was expecting a move towards the outside and past the open price and then test the low of the day. But it didn't happen. We were actually trending up on a double distribution trend day. So we reverse and continue higher at VWAP with a nice hammer actually. So this could have been a nice continuation trade. This could have been an S4 reversal trade actually. Inside the pivot. That's interesting. But I missed out on it, and I partial aggressively at 2-1, got rid of the loss, and moved my stop loss to break even or around a price that I know will be enough to prove that the trade was going against me. So that was it. Those were my 2 trades. You can see price action is very ugly. A lot of sells, not a lot of buys, not a lot of relative volume. But we made our way to the gray area, and yeah, it's a lot of fake signals on the 2 minutes, which is not good. Finally here at 176, rejection of the gray area. That's when we finally got a nice reversal. But the move was to the top side. Today was bullish in terms of the intraday action, but if we ended up closing around S3 or the gray area, we're still looking bearish on Tesla since we're setting value lower. So those are my trades for today. I'm gonna say yes, I respected my rules. Oh, I forgot to do this 05, 07, 24. Even though I 50% of my trades were not good, but that's only because I only took 2. Could have been better. So market prep, execution with confidence and good adaptation to the changes. Did I meet goal today? I'll say maybe not. 50%. 2, 1. Resulted in 0. Simply because of that bad trade. I could have made an entry here on this rejection. But it is what it is. And I was attempting an S for breakdown, so it's a B trade. B, no. B, yes. Balance resulted in a win. Resulted in 1 hour as it moved back to break even. Let's see, we're gonna set 27. So B, yes, B, doesn't matter. 1 hour. Unfortunately, I anticipated this trade. This trade was good. Could have held for 3-1, but it's okay. And that's it for my trading today. It's been hard to trade. A lot of indecision. Not clean moves on the stocks that have had a lot of volume. But it's been okay. We're managing not to have big losses. But yeah, I need to execute better on these trades. I'm kind of sorry I missed out on this long. And I just realized this was an excellent opportunity for a long. It's just that the ladder was empty and we were going up on decreasing volume, so it didn't make much sense. We had a strong pullback. But it is what it is. That's it for my trading review.